Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through how to enable low contrast mode in the Tumblr app on your phone. This feature is perfect for users who prefer a softer visual experience, reduce eye strain, or simply enjoy a more classic look while browsing Tumblr. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Then click on Account Settings. Look carefully until you find the color palette option. Tap on Color Palette to open the different visual themes available for the app. Finally, choose Low Contrast Classic from the available options. Once selected, the Tumblr app interface will switch to a lower contrast design, providing a more comfortable viewing experience that is easier on the eyes. You can now browse Tumblr with a cleaner and softer appearance. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.